Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common, yet frustrating, refrigerator problem: ice buildup. We'll be focusing on a no-frost refrigerator that has a freezer completely packed with ice while the lower compartment, which is supposed to keep your food cool, isn't performing its function. We'll walk through the troubleshooting steps in both Urdu and Hindi, ensuring that our explanation is accessible to a wider audience, so everyone can understand and potentially fix their refrigerator issues. Scene start. Let's set the scene. Imagine you go to grab some ice cream, and instead of a neatly organized freezer, you're faced with a solid block of ice, practically a frozen mountain. At the same time, the refrigerator section is struggling to maintain a low temperature, leaving your food at risk of spoiling. This dramatic contrast is a clear indication that something is wrong with the defrost system, which is crucial for the proper functioning of a no-frost refrigerator. Scene change. Our skilled technician begins the diagnostic process by carefully removing the back panel inside the freezer compartment. It's important to proceed with caution here, as there may be some sharp edges or components that could be easily damaged. Safety first. Scene change. Now, the main culprit reveals itself: the evaporator coil. It's completely encased in ice. This ice buildup is the root cause of the problem. Remember, a no-frost refrigerator has an automatic system designed to periodically melt this ice accumulation, thus maintaining optimal cooling efficiency. Scene change. The first step in our troubleshooting is to test the defrost heater. This crucial component is responsible for melting the ice that forms on the evaporator coil. The technician uses a multimeter, a handy tool for electrical diagnostics, to check for continuity. If the heater is working correctly, the multimeter will display a reading indicating continuity. In this specific case, we're fortunate that the heater is functioning as it should. Scene change. Next, we move on to the defrost timer and the bimetal thermostat. These two components work together to control the defrost cycle. The timer dictates the duration and frequency of the defrost cycle, while the bimetal thermostat acts as a safety mechanism, cutting off the power to the heater if the temperature gets too high, preventing potential damage. Scene change. The technician carefully examines the defrost timer. Unfortunately, in this scenario, the timer is found to be stuck. This means the defrost cycle isn't activating when it should, which allows ice to accumulate unchecked, leading to the freezer ice buildup and temperature issues in the refrigerator section. Scene change. The solution is quite straightforward: replace the faulty defrost timer. This is a common repair, and thankfully, it's often a relatively easy fix. It's always important to disconnect the power before performing any repairs for safety. Scene change. After installing the new timer, the technician carefully reassembles the freezer, ensuring all components are properly secured and connected. Scene change. Finally, the moment of truth. We allow the refrigerator to run through a complete defrost cycle. The heater activates, the ice melts away, and the refrigerator slowly begins to cool down again, restoring the proper temperatures in both the freezer and refrigerator compartments. Scene end. So, as a final takeaway, if you experience ice buildup in a no-frost refrigerator, the problem likely lies within the defrost system. Check the heater for continuity, the timer for proper function, and the thermostat for any signs of malfunction. With a bit of patience and troubleshooting, you can hopefully get your refrigerator running smoothly again and save yourself the expense of a costly service call. Shukriya, and thank you for watching.